A lot of traders worldwide use the MetaTrader 4 or 5 app for placing their trade. But you wouldn't know that, would you? Hey, who's judging? That is why we are here. So for my next video, I'll be telling us how to use the MetaTrader app to place our trades, to take our profits, and to smile to our losses.
This, my friend, is the MetaTrader 5 app for trading. Now you can either download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. One of the best places to get it from is actually Play Store, or you can get it from a friend, or a broker can make it available as part of the installation package after registration. But the easiest way is just to download it from Play Store. Now I recently deleted my Trader 4 for my 5 because 5 has some advanced and more cool features than 4. Although they are not much, but then either 4 or 5, you should be able to get by just fine. So I'll walk us through how to use the Trader 5 that I have, since it's more advanced. But once you can use 5, you won't have a problem using MetaTrader 4. So once you launch it, at first, just swipe like this, and you see your manage account. Under manage account, you can add a new account here. You can select the broker, any broker you can think of. They are here. So you can come back here. When you come to quotes, you see all of this. Don't worry, before this week runs out, I'll explain about what these symbols mean, what spread means, and this here. But if you want to add a new quote, you can Forex, metal, crypto indexes. Once you click on Forex, you see different pairs for Forex. Say I want to add CAD JPY, just click on it, and then you come back, you see your CAD JPY underneath here. It's because it's weekend, that's why all these are in gray. Then you can come back to check your charts. These are our Forex candlestick chart looks like. There are different types of charts. I would explain it when we get to charts. But this is the first button here is for pointing on price. You can drag it around wherever you want it to. The next one here is for indicators. You can add an indicator. Say we want to add, these are trend indicators, oscillators, volumes, and all. Say we want to add moving average, for example. This is the result. You have your moving average. Now here you can select the currency pairs. Once they are under quotes, you can check it here without going back to quotes. Now this here, it's a feature that is only on 5 and it's not on 4. This one here, you can add a new window and monitor your trade from 2 time frames. So let's delete that. Now for Trader 4, if you are using 4, instead of this, you would have time frame that is here. When you click your screen, you have different time frames. This is 1 hour, this is daily. So for 4, it is here instead of this. Now if you want to place a trade, all you have to do is click on this and you can place your trade. I will explain the different types of trade orders that we have. Don't worry about it, just know how it is done. So you can come back here, check your trade. This is for trade in progress. Now this is another way to place your trade. Once you open your chart, you can come here and place your trade the way you want. So you can come and check the history of your trades that are completed. These are position order deals. You can customize your search period to probably 1 week, 1 month, last 3 months, whichever way you want it. Then this is where your mail gets delivered to, mailbox, news, economic calendar, and this is settings where you can mess with things. This is interface. You can have tablet interface if you want. This feature is not on 4 as well. You can have it back. But for 4, you can customize the way you want your chart to look like. If you want to have black at the background, if you want to change the colors of your candle, you don't have that with this one. So you can come back and mess with it. Now if you don't want to use this side panel, you can just come down. This is quotes. This is for charts. This is for trade in progress. This is for history. This is for economic calendar. So that's how easy it is to use your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Now this is another cool feature of the MetaTrader 5. Once you click on this place, MetaTrader 4 does not have all this. Properties, depth of market, market statistics, simple view overview, simple view mode. It does not, MetaTrader 4 does not have, but then you can get by with just using MetaTrader 4. But if you want, you can substitute it for 5. Now, if you want to use on your laptop or on your desktop or any type of top, you can download it for PC. There's the PC version that you can always download and use from the comfort of your home. So these are easy it is to use the MetaTrader app. Just play around it. Now this is an assignment. This is what I want everybody to do. I want you to download a MetaTrader app, either 4 or 5. Download anyone. You can download the 2 to know which one you are comfortable with. Now when you download it, I want you to come to manage account and open account with any broker. Please do not open a real account. This is how you open account. You come here. Let's say I'm choosing this broker. Don't go to log into an existing account. Come to open a demo account. So they'll ask for your first name, your second name, your email. Leave all these as it is. You click on accept and you register. Okay? Open a demo account, not a real account. Open a demo account, not a real account. Okay? Do not open a real account. I'm very serious about it. So just come to demo account, you fill it, just your name, that's all they need. Leave every other thing as it is and register. So once you register, you can come and play with the account. Just play with it, get a touch of how it feels like to be a potential trader, so to speak. So you can come here, check anything you want to check, but make sure you do this, because the next video I'll be dropping would explain this first page here, and I would like us to demonstrate with our own demo account, since we'll be moving to other things with time. So after that one, I will explain the types of market orders and what have you. But first off, download your demo account, please. This will show our own seriousness, because it would be wrong if I'm teaching and you cannot demonstrate, or you are just following by heart. Let's do the needful. So this will be all for this video. Look forward to the next video with you.